Hey everyone, I'm here at my brother's house. Gonna do a preliminary fan tour of it. And I just installed two ceiling fans here today. This one is a Palm Air Pacific Breeze. Some of you might remember from another video I did of it way back when. I think it was 2011. True to form. It's winter time, so the fans are set to reverse. And this ceiling fan you see here was not part of my collection. It came with the house, which I believe is a moss highline. Yep. Notice how the cane goes. It's got the longer length of cane, as do most huggers. I've never really seen many with this kind of shell and this style of cane on it. Anyway, it's got a 5-leg kit. I don't know if it's interchangeable or not. All or nothing. But the ceiling fan does have some issues with it. Here, I'll show it. It's kind of like a jackhammer. I'll just leave it all alone. I'm going to replace that with a Casablanca Delta 2. Here's the latest install, the Hunter Mayfair from 1994. You need to get chains for it. You need to get pulls for it. That way I'll put the globe that you see on it down there on it. Getting up was a little bit of a chore, but I did it. These are all the fans I have installed here for now, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. More